drive this car anymore. I got it in college my junior year. It's a 2015 little black Jetta. Jettas are the greatest cars. Like college kids or high school kids, they're just affordable. They're great, reliable cars, but I just never drive it anymore. Ed and I both work from home. I work out from home. Sometimes I'll go to a Pilates class, but he works East Coast hours. The schedule's just, we never need two cars. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell it because eventually if we move, it's just like we just don't need two cars. So if you're in the Orange County area looking for a 2015 Jetta, hit me up. It's black, it's really cute, like it's in great condition. I also got gas, which I never do. I never drive this car enough. Like I probably haven't gotten gas in, I wanna say like 2 months. Sounds insane, but if I ever drive, I'm only going within like 10 minutes of where I live. So everything's really close. Yeah, and I hate getting gas. It's very lucky of me to say, but it's not an expense that I think about. And then when I do pay for gas, I'm like, holy shit, it's so expensive. Especially in California, it's like over $5. Nuts. I'm gonna go for a walk and then I'm gonna get my nails done and my toes done for our anniversary weekend this week. I still have my Stagecoach nails on, which is kind of crazy. They still look like really good. I always do dip because it lasts and it never chips and it's amazing. So, okay. Thursday afternoon, I just finished work. I'm about to go to the sauna, but I had like a little wellness day today. This morning before work, I did my monthly lymphatic drainage massage, which I do every single month. If you're in the Orange County area, I go to Lymph Bright in Laguna Niguel. The best place ever. Everyone is so nice there. Everyone's really great. I don't have like a usual masseuse that I go to because I usually book by like the day and time that I can go and I just take whoever's available. Every experience has been incredible. I don't swear by them. Lymphatic drainage massages, I love getting them. Relaxing, it's really good for your lymph nodes. It's good for detoxing, it's good for bloating. I like to go because they do cupping for free, so it's really good for pain as well. I didn't do cupping this time. I wanted to so badly, but we have our 1-year anniversary trip this weekend. We're going to Palm Desert and I didn't want to be wearing my cute outfits at dinner with like all these cut marks on my back because it's going to be so hot in the desert. So I did that this morning. I wanted to wait a couple days post colonoscopy before I got a lymphatic drainage massage. I knew I wanted to get one like a couple days after. I didn't want to go the next day or like even 2 days after because I just didn't know with the anesthesia. I wanted to just kind of be back to my normal routine, moving my body and eating, my normal foods like I normally eat. So I waited a couple days and I'm really glad I did. I know you've probably seen on TikTok post colonoscopy things that happen after your colonoscopy. We all know what happens, and that didn't really happen to me, so I wasn't experiencing that. And after my lymphatic drainage massage, I was, oh my God, I feel literally so much better. I'm like really bloated, but I just feel better, and I feel like all that air that went inside of me is definitely on its way out, so that's a good feeling. Especially going into our little trip this weekend. I just feel clean and detoxed and really good, relaxed. So that was a really fun way to start the day. And then I went to a coffee shop and worked. I'm obsessed with the coffee shop Kit in Newport. We live by the one in Irvine actually, and we walk to the Irvine one like every single day. It's like part of our little morning routine. I love it. My favorite part of the day. And I saw Terry Dubrow because his office is right there. So I was a little starstruck, and I worked there for a couple hours, came back, ate lunch, worked here, and now I'm going to the sauna to even like deeper the detox of just the whole colonoscopy. And also I just want to get a good sweat in pre-vacation and then come home and pack and eat dinner, and we leave for our trip tomorrow. So I'm so excited. We love the desert seriously so much. It's where we got married. My dad lives there and we're gonna stay at his house actually Sunday night and potentially Monday night. We have a gift that I bought for myself that we don't know if we're picking up on Monday or Tuesday. So that'll depend on when we go home. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the sauna and enjoy my night. It's the day before my birthday. Last night we went to Mr. Parker's and celebrated our anniversary. One of the top 3 meals I've ever eaten. It was so good. I had the filet mignon. It was like perfection. It came with this watercress salad and blue cheese dressing and a bone marrow butter. Oh my god, it was just so good. We came home and we went to bed at 10 o'clock, 7:30, 7:45 right now. My Oura ring said I had a 95 sleep score, which is just perfection. Dinner was so fun. It's such a cool place. It was fun to walk around the Parker. We went home, had a really good night's sleep, and I feel just so refreshed going into the day. Beautiful lighting. We're gonna get a coffee and go on a little walk and then go to the gym and then the pool.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Well, I'm taking my time, just moving along. And I'm dying to say